Hi guys, today we are going to show you how to jailbreak an iPhone 4 running iOS 7. iOS 7 is extremely old and Apple has shut down the servers such as the App Store and many other online Apple apps. Also, Safari doesn't work for many websites. So we can jailbreak it and install some tweaks to make the iPhone 4 working. Welcome to the channel and let's get started. First, open Safari. Then you need to enter the URL. The URL is called linsysjb.com. You will be redirected to this page with no issues. Click on Jailbreak. If it doesn't support your device, it will say unsupported. Use at your own risk. Click on Jailbreak. Please note, if Safari crashes, open it again until the jailbreak finally works. You will see a storage almost full error. This is normal because it has the storage required to jailbreak. And it's restarting your device. Once you jailbreak, you are now in the lock screen. Unlock your iPhone. Go to the second page and here you will see Cydia, and Cydia is installed after using the Linsys jailbreak. Open Cydia. For the first time, when opening the app, it will prepare the file system. Cydia will exit when complete. Once it exits, open it again. Once the file system is prepared, the iPhone will respring. Once you unlock your iPhone, open Cydia again. Then you will see the loading screen and then Cydia loads. Finally, the iPhone 4 is running iOS 7 is now jailbroken. Go to Sources, Edit, Add, and then add any tweak. We will learn how to make Apple apps working and how to install apps from iOS 7 on the iPhone 4 later on. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more tips, updates, and even more things. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Peace.